welcome back to my channel. This is take 2 because I tried to go live. It wouldn't let me. So then I started recording on YouTube and my daughter threw a huge fit in the middle of it and a call came in while I was recording because I was doing it on my phone. I was trying to upload it as fast as possible, but it wouldn't let me. So here we are again. It's already opened. I've already seen most of the stuff that I've gotten, but I'm going to redo it for you guys because it's honestly exciting. I opened this whole thing on camera for you guys and it was messed up. So first thing on top is the pop socket. I honestly haven't used the pop socket that I got in my last mystery box yet, but I'm waiting for a new phone, so it's okay. I'm still excited about it. I got the liquid lip in Dominatrix, which I'm not mad about. I love the colors. I love the names on the colors. He has a sticker right here, but what I did last time is I moved it down to the bottom and taped it there so it would stay, because as you use it, you're gonna shave it off, you know, and you're not gonna want that all the way down there. This is very beautiful brown shade, and I could use it with many different colors that I have for either an ombre or, you know, I got the Supreme Frost in Hypothermia, which I'm excited about. I would have rather had one of his regular formula highlighters. I'm not as big of a fan of his Supreme Frost as I am his regular highlighters, but that's okay, you know. It's still a very gorgeous, like purpley pink duochrome color, and I will still be using it. I still use Lavender Snow and Peach, Frozen Peach, so, you know, not a big deal, but I do like his regular highlighters better. I got the color Diva in a liquid lip. Super bright, beautiful hot pink color. I do have Dollhouse, I think, and it's like almost the same color except metallic. And I do use it. Dreamhouse, not Dollhouse, Dreamhouse. I got the color Mannequin. Y'all, I've been wanting this forever. This is one of his popular shades, so I don't feel like he's just giving you whatever, trying to get rid of shades. I really don't. This is like a gorgeous nude, and I'm so excited. You don't even know. This will probably be the color I put on today. I might try to ombre it. Like I said, I am not going to edit this. I'm just going to upload it as soon as I get done with this. So if the video's kind of like wonky, I am so sorry. This is the mystery shade. It is a gorgeous nude pink color. We can see what it looks like next to Mannequin. And I absolutely love the packaging on this. Gorgeous. And I got the color Poinsettia. I don't know how to say that flower. I know it's a flower. I know what it is. I know it's like the Christmas flower. And it's a very gorgeous metallic color. I was super excited when I opened this up the first time I recorded this. But I can't wait for fall and Christmas to use this shade because it's absolutely gorgeous. I got a lip scrub. I'm so excited. Like, I've wanted one of his lip scrubs forever, but I got a lip scrub in Peach Popsicle, and I'm so glad it wasn't grape or now he has nails to dig in. I do not. That tastes so good. I do not have nails to dig into this, and it is kind of hard, but it tastes so good. I got a metal straw, which is exciting. I've actually been using silicone straws here lately, so I like that I have a middle one now, and it will go in my tumblers that I have. This is what I was most excited for, honestly. I love all of his makeup, but I do wear his shirt all the time. It's super comfortable. Look it! It's the one I wanted! Oh, I'm so excited. Let me try and get out of frame where you cannot see me and put this on real quick. All right, this is the large on me. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I love it. I am so excited, y'all. All right, you guys will have to leave a link down below in my comments and show me what you got in your guys' box. Let me know if you didn't get the box, what you would have wanted out of my box, or what you felt like you didn't like out of my box. And we're gonna go ahead and put we'll see how this works. If you enjoyed the Jeffree Star mystery box unboxings, I suggest you head over to Jennifer Metcalf's channel and check out her mystery box unboxing. I don't know if hers is up yet, but I'm sure she will be doing one. I want to use mannequin, I really do. Ooh. This smells like root beer. That is a gorgeous shade. This on. My whole desk is a mess right now, guys. Like a super mess. Honestly, I would have liked to try one of his liquid frosts, but that is okay. That is okay. I feel like this highlighter really does go with the look that I'm wearing today, so that's also nice. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of my box, or what you think you didn't like out of my box, which you would have liked to seen in my box. I'm so sorry. This wasn't supposed to be edited, but I will have to make a few adjustments because I have kids that need me constantly, so I had to edit a few things out. But hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.